Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Ford Raptor F-150. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first, I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it does have the rear tinted windows. It does have a hard tonneau cover. Maybe that'll help you out. Tow pack, backup camera, hard tonneau. As you can see, it has a carpeting, the carpet in the bed there. Running boards. We'll get down to tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully that helps. All right. Looks like light bar running lights. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Premium sound, power windows, power locks, power memory seats. Let's get the condition of the leather. Leather's still in great condition. No rips, tears, or stains. Get the back seat here for you in just a sec. See, sunroof up there. Alrighty. Does have the rubber floor mats throughout. Great feature, love it. Power slider in the back, rear air, and then it does have the DVD players and the headrests there. Work great. This thing has a ton of horsepower.
What's going on, buddy?
There is pedal adjusters there, and then we got. We got the steering wheel controls here, media center navigation, backup camera, factory tow assist, heated and cooled seats. Put that in there the best I can for you. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. Trying to keep this with one hand. As you can see, it has a camera right there in the grill. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at a Raptor, you've probably looked at a few others. You know what you're looking for. So I just want to get it in here the best I can. All of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. This does also have remote start. There's a mileage there, but this thing Sounds like a beast. Room. Driver door is ajar. Looks like a governor's on. The speed limit set to 80, but of course I can get taken care of. There is the navigation. That's backup camera there. Stereo works great. Alright, let's go back to the engine. Turn on some lights here. Humming along beautifully. Let's go to that exhaust. You can hear that guy. Yeah, this is some meat under the hood, that's for sure. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video, walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.